If you have an iPhone, this one setting is a welcome sign for hackers, and most people leave it on. Tap on Settings, tap on your Wi-Fi. From here, tap on the I on the side, and from here, right where it says Private Wi-Fi Address, tap on that. You want this to be rotating. If this is off, it makes it much easier for hackers. You're also broadcasting your real address. That means that hackers or trackers at coffee shops, airports, hotels can identify and follow your device. Also, check this setting. Tap on Settings, tap on your Wi-Fi. From here, scroll down to the bottom, and where it says Auto Join Hotspot, Automatic, tap there. I recommend that you have this on Ask to Join or Never. Having this on automatic lets your iPhone auto-connect to random hotspots, which could be fake ones set up by hackers. Turn both of these off, and you've just blocked one of the easiest hacker tricks in the book. Hit follow for more iPhone settings that Apple won't warn you about. I post these every day. Also, let me know, were these turned on for you as well?